22.
Okay, we're at Suwannee River State Park entrance.
Turn right, then continue straight.
Okay, we're gonna kill the navigation because we don't need that. At least I don't think so. Then we're coming into the state park.
Mile. Arrive at 3631 200 first path on the left.
Okay, we will kill you too because we don't need you. Okay, now how do you tell which way's the campground? Uh-oh. Hum. Well, let's hope it's this way, I guess. Yeah, this is where the park is. Okay, so the park closes at dark like all of them do. I have to unhook her.
Welcome to. Can't read it because you're going too fast.
Yeah. I'm going, oops, 15 is our
Yeah,
limit.
that's what I said.
Oh, this is going to be the guard shack. I'll ask him where's a good place to unhook our car. Okay, here's our guard shack. Definitely has a stop sign. It should go straight. Okay, park closes at 8:15. Camping area is full except for we have reservations, so we're not worried about that. Hello, would you like me to pull over? We have reservations.
You got a reservation, I should be able to do it right here, sir. What's
It-
the last name?
Hicks, Hicks. Should be site 4. Oh, look, they got bicyclists.
Oh, right over here where these two things are.
I'm gonna ask them if that's okay. That's right. Ranger station open daily 3 to 5. We got there at the perfect time. What time is it? 4:30. And you could walk over there to him if you'd like to, so you don't have to reach, because he's not going to be able to reach.
It's like 4 out of 7,
Nope.
8 cuts on the back.
Okay.
It's easier for you to unhook your chase car out here.
Oh, I was just going to ask you if that was okay.
Yeah, no problem. Trail map, park pamphlet, to-dos, don'ts, and policies, procedures of the state park.
Okay.
Have you stayed?
Yep, we stayed state park last night and last week, and
Awesome. I appreciate it. You want a puppy?
what kind?
She'll bring it.
No, thank you. Oh, it's a cute one.
Aw.
Okay, I'll get out of the way and do that. Yep.
Thank you. It's part lab. Watch what you're doing there. You're gonna get off into the.
Okay, we're plenty far off. Okay, so we're gonna go get our truck.